Welcome to Montessori Reggio Academy of Katy. Located at Franz Road in Katy, Texas, conveniently near the State Highway 99 and Interstate 10, and right across the street from important international schools. Our new brand campus have been thoughtfully designed to create a warm and welcoming ambience. Our classrooms are ready to welcome infants, toddlers, pre-primary, and primary students into an enriching learning environment designed to spark curiosity, creativity, and independence. At Montessori Reggio Academy of Katy, we blend the best of Montessori and Reggio Emilia methods, fostering each child's development through hands-on exploration and self-guided learning. In our classrooms, independence and creativity flourish, allowing children to grow, discover, and thrive at their own pace. A year of learning, creativity, and discovery awaits. Come visit us and see the Montessori Reggio Academy of Katy difference for yourself. We can't wait to embark on this journey with you. Visit our website www.montessorireggioacademy.com to learn more.